All right, I told you I'm going to get you a little video of some of the progress of things that I have been working on. So, just to give a heads up, I did start on this about a week early because I just could not wait. So, here we go. So, this is a little farm to table. So, today I actually did do this little start screen, which of course gives me a stop and a little start point. I found some free music that I can play, some royalty free. So let's go ahead and just dive into it. Let me go ahead and just make this bigger and we'll enjoy it together. So this little game is just a small incremental thing where you are a farmer. You're just planting seeds and selling them to make a living. So what we have so far is just this free little asset seed guy here, which is really just a chest with a flame on top. But you can buy seeds. So up here on the top left, you can see I got a little bit of money. It cost me $10 to buy a corn seed or $50 to buy a bean seed. This little interaction here, so I don't have to click the damn buttons all the time. Something I put in yesterday. Anyway, so I can buy 3 corn seeds, 4 corn seeds. My math is bad. I don't have a good interaction over here, but what it costs to actually make a crop, to make a corn crop, is 1 corn seed and a water. Right now, it's just an instantaneous thing. I'm just looking at doing some interactions. So come over here, grab some water. I can have maximum of 20 of a single item stack. Also, enjoy the cat. Genevieve made that, and the animations. It's a little blurry. I haven't really dealt with that a whole lot right now, but it's fucking cute. Anyways, we come over here, we have the water and the corn seed, so if I do that, I trade it out for a crop. So, let me go ahead and fill up on my water again. Also, these fence posts, the first thing that I've ever made that's an animated or even a pixel art. Clearly, I don't know how to do my proportions at this time to make it not blurry. Don't care, we're having fun. Now that we have these crops, we can take it over here. This is a packaging center, packaging area. A little conveyor belt that we have. So if I hit E, you can see the crops go away and I get money. Anyways, come over here, buy a little corn, grab a little more water. We're already topped off and sell some more and let's go. So let's go ahead and do this. The one thing that I haven't implemented that I did have implemented previously, so this did used to be a button to actually purchase and it would tell you if you could afford it or not. I am going to put that in here. I've got to figure out how to do that one. Probably make the E red if you highlight over it. But let's come over here, grab some water. Let's go ahead and make all these seeds into crops. So we are farming, bro. Come over here, sell, boom. And I can buy beans. Now, I can't do anything with beans right now, but the idea is I'm actually just showing beans right now just for my sake, but I do plan on having like a little upgrade station here, so I'm going to make a little computer where you can hit a button, you can get a menu, and you can choose your upgrades. So the upgrades are going to be additional seed types. And then when you open it up, we're going to have a cornfield here. And then this next set of fence is going to go away. And we're going to have a little bean bit. The next upgrade, of course, another type of seed. And the requirement is going to be the seed and then some water. Probably upgrade the amount of water depending on what it is. I'm not trying for realism. I'm trying for fun at this time. So anyways, this is everything that I have. Did add a little jumping in here, which makes 0 sense for this game, but we're having fun. Why not? The next things that I really plan on doing, so I do want to set it up so I could do another crop. I do want a little bit of feedback here saying like what it actually takes, what I'm going to get out of it. So just having a really quick something, and do I have enough of what they want? So instead of just saying E, it's going to say something else. And that's going to be the same thing over here. Well, in order to sell, I need to have one of these types. So over here, it says that I need a type of crop. So I hit E, it'll sell all the crop. But how do I know what I'm actually selling and how much I'm getting? I could do the math myself, but do I want to do that? I can hand all that stuff over. But the idea is being able to create reusable panels, reusable scenes, all that fun stuff. So anyways, that's everything that I have right now. I'm going to play around with the animations a little bit more. I'm going to do some more of that stuff, but in the meantime, have a good one.